You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word in English. The spelling is indeed quite confusing, but the pronunciation is pretty straightforward once you know. So let's break it down. British and American English have similar pronunciations here. Deceit, 2 syllables. Deceit. You could spell the last part as S-E-E-T, seat. The stress is on that seat syllable. Deceit. Easy once you know. Deceit, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.